The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Hey, this is Barry G. I'm alive and kicking. This is how kicking I am on a Sunday. There are reports going around, people carrying news, claiming that me, Barry G, dead. Well, if I did, may the Lord rest my soul. But I'm alive and kicking. I'm at home with my family in Savannah Lamar, Mina Blar. Good afternoon to everyone listening to this in the buses and in the car.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one, is it? Now, as a blogger, I'm supposed to know what going out there on social media, is it me? Yeah, so some persons might say, yo, I'm supposed to know them things, like expecting me to know everything when it comes on to social media and news or certain issues out there, especially of, you know, the country of Jamaica and the Caribbean, isn't it? But however, some of the times and everything we really and truly know what going on, viewers and subscribers, isn't it? Because, you know, what this person had said, and this person is said to be Barry G, is what I'm saying to you, and what Barry G had said now, right? Me never hear that news there for real. Me never hear that rumor there. Me should have said, you see me? I didn't hear it. But however, this video is out on social media, you see me? And you know, me bring this video to each and every one out there so that, you know, you can actually hear for yourself that Barry G is said to be okay and alright, you see me? Just in case if there's a rumor or if the rumor is that big. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so big up and respect to Barry G, and me just want to make sure the person's here what one. Alright. Now, as I talk about Barry G, you know, so Barry G is one of those persons, you know, like radio personnel and so forth. I know so radio have to do with music and everything there, see me? So with that now, I have some videos I'm gonna bring to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and these videos, you know, these videos are somewhat of persons singing some songs, you see me? Yeah, like each person sing about a song or sing a song, you see me? Now I'm bringing these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, because they're out on social media and they're being talked about, you see me? I'm just saying, you know what? I'm going to bring these videos to my viewers and subscribers and let them, you know, look at these videos, and then they can tell me which one of these videos they think sounds the best. You see me? Because they said that these persons were singing or so on, you see me? So in these songs, you're going to hear either the word COVID-19 or coronavirus or mask or corona. So with that now, I'm just going to present, you know, these videos to you, like video 1, video 2 and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And you know, more you viewers and subscribers for listen to these videos and tell me what you think. You see me, you can tell me which one are the winner by the number, which is video 1, video 2 or so forth. Yeah, you know the thing already. Just set it up, spice it up and nice it up, and that's not gonna be with you, see it? Alright, now here I'm going to present these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, and just in case if there's any words or so forth in any of these videos or songs that are being put out there, you see me? Just in case if it might offend anyone or persons might not like to hear something like this, the following videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, take a look, listen and observe these videos.
I believe that you know this guy. You believe this man, you should bear man.
Hey, Johnny, so this is how you mind me, you know that. Boy.
Well, tell me that, man. Let's put it on face media again, man. Hey.
Let's try it. Look what I appeal to the Prime Minister for me to drink Meron. I'm just got no answer to Meron. Anyhow, I get a tune for around.
Yeah, yeah, give me around.
Look at that. See the rum on this, yeah. I rum rule my structure. And Pusha him a say, I run rule the DJ. No, I'm calling him. Give me a full buckle or more. In the bar or out a door. And the rum man will drink rum some more. You want your tune now? Oh, them I go stop it when they can't stop me from drinking it a dick. Leggy, me drinking rum or tell me. Me drinking rum or tell me. Me drinking rum or tell me. Vomit, you me know the dirty nigga they can't take it. Again, oh, them I go stop it when they can't stop me from drinking it a dick. Pusha. Me drinking rum or tell me. to me know the batty all them can't take it. You want your lyrics again? Every morning me get up and turn me eye to the sun. First thing me have to have is a drink of white rum. He said come and eat no cheese and no bun. Me don't want me girlfriend come give me bun. No more rum and time, so make we have fun. Full time the DJ elevate out of the slum. Them a send for Corona, but me no want none. Me no want no beer, so you give me rum.
Alright, so that's video 1, viewers and subscribers, you see me? Alright, well, that's video 1. Alright, so here I'm going to present the next one to you right about now. Take a look and observe.
Shut it.
Of the whole world, I know Corona go. But when that come my way, hear what me do. Me go so dreadlocks and mask with them ass out. Mask out and wait till Corona pass out. Pass out to your mask with them ass out. Mask out, them say fit on in your ass house. Ass house, tell them a mask, me a mask. Me turn in a me house. Me eat up in a that and just not come out. Turn in a me house just like a house mouse. Cause one brand new disease me hear said about. The latest thing where everyone a talk about. Enough people life them claim say it out. It coming from the east, west, north and south. But take it from the eye and the nose and the mouth. So no mask with them mask. Mask out and wait till Corona pass out. Pass out and hear a mask with them mask out. Mask out, them say fit on in your ass out. Ass out, me say me love road, yes. But me stop walking, nah go nowhere. Me carry me parties. One new disease they are so me hear them attack it. So hungry I feel me time me nah go a market. Buy Corona food and bring home in a no basket. Cause this a disease it not care who it a target. Them say it they a China but America cause it. Me granny hear the news and now our pressure start lift the one. Mass out, them say fit on in your ass out. Ass out, I fit take care of your head. You can't be no miser, them so Solomon did wise. But me get wiser, wash your hands regular, use your sanitizer. And be careful who you a stand up beside. And don't make nobody bounce up on your neither. Cause that disease you coming like a black spider. It's coming your way and not either. Make sure Raja are your guide. So me tell them a mass we a mass out. Mass out the way till Corona pass out. Pass out and you're a mass with them ass out. Pass out and set it on in your ass out. Ass out and see them so them are the artists in a road. And everywhere them got them need to bust a hot pose. Ghana, China, we go get the hot clothes. And so them pick up a little of the dose. Then them come back a yard and it go expose. Everywhere me hear say it a run road. From the north to the west, straight to the east coast. Everybody have to have mask over them nose. So no mask.
Video 2. Alright. Alright, well anyways, I'm going to bring the next video to you right about now. Yes, video 3. And you know, just take a look, listen and observe.
Alright, just save the world and done and not chat. Corona, I mash up the scheme. Me I beg the kids them 15. Cause the man go to road and go mix up in the crowd. Public not take you in. Corona, I mash up the scheme. Me I beg the old people them 15. Cause the man go to road and go mix up in the crowd. Public not take you in. Over one thing with Jamaica we not take things serious. I know we not believe in the virus. Anytime a man believe, he have to catch it first. Anytime they too late, car public full up. You see it? No, we in a big problem. A long time the Prime Minister I want them. They never want hear when the message I send them a gigi and I go with some careless friend. Play a load upon the street side them. Never know say Corona coming at them. You see it? No, them in a big problem. Them a run up and down like me dog puppy them. Corona I mash up the scheme. Me a beg the kids them 15. Guy the man go to road and go mix up in the crowd. Public not take you in. Corona I mash up the scheme. Me a beg the old people them 15. Guy the man go to road and go mix up in the crowd. Public not take you in. Me know no man come side of me with no one bag of talk. Give me a step off. Give me a step off. Me no no man. Come side of me. With no one bag of laugh. Give me a step off. Give me a step off. Me no want no man. Come side of me. With no one bag of cough. Give me a step off. Give me a step off. A 4,000 people dead in New York. Give me a step off. Give me a step off. My woman a drink with liquor. You want to come pull me rum car. Give me a step off. Give me a step off. Corona, I mash up the scheme. Me I beg the kids them 15. Can any man go to yeah.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, you know, these videos that are out on social media, you get me? No, this is the thing, you know, viewers and subscribers. I would like to give my opinion about which one of these songs sounds good, you see me? But really and truly though, you know, if you give you my opinion, I think that it might cause persons to give, you know, a bias answer. You see what I'm saying to you? So therefore, as the person that is putting this video out there, I don't think that I should really and truly put my answer in the video. But I will leave my answer in the comment section for you, my viewers and subscribers. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, just in case if persons might want to say, yo, Dancehall Skilla, where your answer there? Well, my answer in the comment section, alright? So, let me know which one of these songs you think sounds the best or sound good. You see what I say? And yeah, I saw me a deal with it, alright? I find these videos out on social media, you see me? And persons seems to like, you know, what has been said in these videos, or you could say in these persons singing songs or so forth. I get what I'm saying to you, alright? Yeah, so I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at these videos, and you can also tell me what you think about these videos, and so that you can also tell me which one of them you think sounds the best, alright? Alright, so yes, I'm left it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.